just arrived at Blackburn Lake and we're just going to go down and have some fun. So last time I did this video, there was lots of ground shots. So saw so many ground shots that we might have had to make this a different. It's alright here. I'm just gonna wait for my brother and hopefully we'll take some shots. Right now it's all over. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm gonna have to avoid lots of people because it's very rude putting them into a video if they don't want to. And then might not be good. So let's go. Whew. Yeah, it's cold out here. I'm gonna put my jacket on. I'm gonna put my jacket on. Because that's what you gave me.
That's what I gave you?
Yes. It's Blackburn Lake Sanctuary and this is a... So I'm looking for a park down here. There's a barbecue somewhere. I don't know if they have a barbecue. Oh, they have a playground. They have a playground somewhere over here, and down here. My family is going with me. My grandpa's coming with me. So, well, I'm gonna have lots of fun. It's cold out here. No fishing. Look over here. No fishing. Oh, it's a safety because we're running out of fish every time. Catching fish, we're not letting the fish population grow. So I'm guessing we're not lots of fish.
I was in New York in February.
Some people biting, but I can't show you because it's just rude. So I'm just gonna hold it like this. Oh, there's lots of people here. But look, I can't. But there's a bunch of things. Oh, look. So yeah, it's gonna be lots of fun. What's this? There's a drain over here. Right here. There's a drain. Nah. There's so much.
I was in New York in February.
It's gonna be so. Wait, there's another drain. Why is there so many drains? If you guys can't see. So what? Because it'll be easier for me to see because I'm right across, but maybe not the camera. Oh, it's cold. So cold. So many people walking. What's this? Oh. No dock, no fishing, no boating, no swimming. Guess I don't really want anybody. Really? Oh, there's some people. Oh well. It's just going to be hard to film because it's very rude to...
Can we go down here?
It's going to be very hard to film because you can't see ducks. And if you do... So... Going down, 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 and down. Look, ducks. There are ducks. Oh, there's a little rock over there.
Oh, we don't stand on
Look, there are ducks.
We don't stand on the rocks. You might slip off.
Yes, yes. There's two ducks over there. And there's a ravine over there. There's two ducks in the way. And all are swimming here, so it's just getting loads and loads of frogs. And it's going to be loads of stones. There's so many rocks, like that rock over there is sinking. I bet it was not sinking before. It's of climate change. Look at all the trees, they're falling down. Anyhow, it's just getting very cold. My mind's getting a headache. I'm gonna put my hoods, I should say, on. And then my other hood, my MacPack hood. Anyway, the MacPack is keeping me warm, so that's a good thing. So just go check out MacPack. I think here's another duck place. Yup, another duck place. Here is another duck place to see ducks, but I prefer the other one. It's more duck-fastic. So to leave, we had to go outside the park and it was that away. So it's just gonna have a lot of fun. People are running during a cold day, so that's a weird thing. It looks very, oh look, here. Look, there's on the bridge. It's so hot now. When you go into the sun, it's gonna be so hot. Oh, I wish this wasn't gonna, be this hot way. There's a sign maybe. Yeah. Blackburn Lake Sanctuary. It's a bit more about it. This is. Wow. Okay, I think we're exiting the bridge and heading back into the park now. Yeah, we're back in the park. And here we got another sign. Yeah. Say hello, Spencer. Huh? Say hello, Spencer.
Hello, Abby.
That's cute. Into the mode of, I don't know. What's down there? Spencer's leading the way. He's the curious one. That's why Charles called 3 boys endless noise, because he never stopped talking. Like me! He got it off me, and then Charlie's just the quiet one. And he doesn't listen often. Are you okay? You okay, Spencer? Bruh. And he never gets up usually. He falls down, he just cries to a little and says, owie, and then I rub it. And then yay, he's alright. It's a turtle. I'm guessing you see turtles here.
Hi. Mom.
Sorry, this is like the second time.
Mom.
Maybe a little waggy around the edges. My arms hurt from doing this, so I'm sorry about this, but I have to do it on the front. My left is the wobbly one. Because my right arm hurts. My right arm hurts from holding, doing this, doing this, and then it's just hurting. So sorry if it's a little wobbly, but not sorry.
Hello.
One out of 3 points and he did it.
Oh, this is like baby magpies. They're just baby magpies. What is? They're baby magpies. So many baby magpies. Don't scare them. They're just baby magpies, Spencer. Let's go this way. Oh look, that's where it's wetlands, what you can see here. You can see frogs, yeah, turtles. No, I never see turtles.
They give you the name of the different birds and animals.
Nope. Anyway, come on. I think this is like a boardwalk. It's very hard to pronounce these names for me because I'm 9 years old. And oh look, it just reaches out. It just reaches out onto the pond and the river.
Mommy, I feel like someone's good coffee.
Good coffee.
Yeah, look. Look, Harvey. Good coffee.
We're just having a look at this scenery. Look at this pond. Oh, there's bird pig everywhere. It's hard to believe that you're having fun when there's lots of them.
Little pied cormorants, we see those down near us.
Yeah.
And the Australian wood duck.
Wow, this has got everything you want to do. If you just want to have a relaxing day, you should come down here and have a walk. Walking is relaxing, sitting is relaxing, having fun is relaxing sometimes. And I want to introduce you to my mascot, Spencer Wang. Spencer, say hi, Spencer.
Exactly, say hi. Say hi, Abby.
Switch.
Jamie was talking.
Hi, Harvey.
He's a mascot.
That was what they were playing last night. Yeah. It was 9 seconds.
I'm just gonna.
Me.
Yeah. I think I'm stuck. Yeah, I'm stuck.
Spencer, smile, cheese, cheese. He's stuck. Ah, he's getting off.
I'm stuck. No, you're not. Ah.
There you go. Hey, you're not walking. What's that? No, next. Oh.
No, extra. No.
Alright. Good boy, Spencer. Good boy. Okay, bye-bye, that's it.
I'll tell you when you go.
Oh, go Spencer! I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Can you please? Careful. Go. Yeah, I can see you.
Spencer, may I climb aboard? Ah. Hold it. I'm on my way. Oh, tight. I'm on my way. Oh, tight. I'm on my way.
On the swing, huh? Oh! Oh!
No, how is it?
This way.
Like, this way. It's like my tree.
You did it!
No. Nope. That's what you go.
Oh, Harvey, I'm going to Spencer. You go. Baby! Baby! All three of us. Here. Here.
One at a time, one at a time.
One on each side. One from here. Good. Tell me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, don't want to.
Come on, Spencer.
I'm getting pushed by the toilet. No one can pass until Spencer gets here. Cannot pass. Cannot pass, Harvey.
No, baby, let's go through first.
Baby's my
Baby. Bye, Harvey. Oh my God.
Again.
No, let's take her first.
And I'll go.
No. Hold on to me. Yeah. I'm coming.
Mom.
Yeah.
It's
Oh.
coming.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Hi, we've just arrived back from Blackburn Lake. It was a pretty cool place. We had lots of fun there. There was lots of parking space. I just couldn't see it all. There was more than two picnic places of tables. The playground was designed for little kids, but even though I still played for it, it's still designed for little kids. It's great for my two little brothers though. I really think Blackburn Lake is a good design. It's a good place to have fun, walk around. There was public toilets, so it wasn't that bad. I'd still prefer that one thing, that we don't have to go out of the park to go on a bridge, because it's just weird. Because the bridge was kind of part of the Blackburn Lake and the road, part of both. So I really think it should be designed inside the park. Anyway, it was good. I saw ducks. There was a good duck place. Lots of people were having fun, having walks. tell a little bit about everything. So I think that was a good park, to be honest. There's nothing bad there. So I'll see you when I see you next. Bye.